I need to tell you something that almost nobody else has the courage to say. Being an introvert is not a personality trait you should be proud of. It is not a badge of honor. It's not some cool, quirky thing that makes you deep or more intelligent than extroverts. If you use it as a shield, it is a limitation. And if you don't learn how to master it, it will ruthlessly cost you opportunities, career advancement, and relationships that you will never get back. I know that sounds harsh. The internet has spent the last 10 years romanticizing introversion, making it seem like introverts are just misunderstood geniuses who are too deep for the real world. But here's the reality check. The real world does not care. The world requires you to talk, to negotiate, to speak up, and to sell your value. If you hide behind an excuse, you will get left behind. Most people treat introversion like an unchangeable identity. It's not. It's a loop of reinforced behaviors. You avoid a social situation because it feels uncomfortable, which ensures you never build the skill, making the next situation even more uncomfortable. You can never outwork a broken identity, so step one of the protocol is absolute accountability. Stop using "I'm an introvert" as an excuse. Every time you hold back in a meeting or avoid a conversation, you are teaching your brain that social interaction is a danger to flee from. When your instinct tells you to stay isolated in your bubble, force yourself to step out anyway. I am not telling you to love massive parties or fake an extroverted personality. I am telling you to develop the strategic ability to be social when it matters. Communication is an asset, and assets must be trained. Introverts stay silent because they think they have to be entertaining, funny, or highly interesting to hold a conversation. That is completely backward. Most people do not care about what you have to say. They care about talking about themselves. Once you master the simple mechanics of human communication, it stops being intimidating. The formula is clean. Ask, listen, and follow up. Drop an open-ended question that cannot be answered with a simple yes or no. Ask them about their ambitions, their work, or how they solved a problem. Listen to the data they give you and ask a direct follow-up question based on their exact words. You don't need to be charismatic. You just need to apply a structured curiosity. You cannot go from complete isolation to commanding a room overnight. You need to practice in low-stakes environments where failure has zero consequences. Talk to the barista when ordering coffee. Make a neutral comment to the person standing next to you in line. If the interaction goes awkwardly, it doesn't matter. You will never see them again. Think of social interaction exactly like going to the gym. If you haven't lifted weights in years, one session will completely drain you. It feels exhausting because your stamina is at zero. Social energy is a muscle. If you force yourself to have just one intentional, low-stakes conversation every single day, your stamina will compound. What used to drain you for hours will eventually become completely normal. You might think you are perfectly fine in your small comfort zone, but play the tape forward into the real world. You will sit in meetings with massive ideas, stay silent, and watch less qualified, louder people take the credit and the promotions. You will meet people you desperately want to connect with romantically or professionally, freeze, and let the opportunity drift away forever. Being an introvert is completely fine, but being socially paralyzed is a massive disadvantage. Stop glorifying the comfort zone. Build the skills the real world demands. Subscribe to join Nexor, lock in your discipline, and build a mind of absolute command. I'll see you in the next one.